In today's session, we'll go ahead with problems on representing the sets. We cannot define it as a well-defined set, so there will not be a set. N is equal to 3 if you put 3 multiples. X is equal to 3n, where n belongs to what? Natural numbers. You put all the natural numbers, you will get multiples of 3. Only one letter should be written only once. Any element in a set should occur only once. This is one of the subset. All of you know, null set is a subset of any set. Power set means what? Set of all subsets. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I taught you the definitions of sets and also I taught you methods of representing sets. In today's session, we'll go ahead with problems on representing the sets. Exercise 2.1 in your textbook. One more questions. Which of the following are sets? The question is, they're asking you which of the following are sets. See, first one, 4, 8, 12 goes on. So, you know the definition of sets. What is the definition of set? What is a set? Set is collection of well-defined distinct objects. So, now these are all well-defined distinct objects. 4, 8, 12, these are multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, next we'll have 16, next we'll have 20. So this is collection of well-defined objects. So which of the following are sets? Question A is a set. Why it is a set? Because it's collection of well-defined object. Now 10, 6, 8, A, M. See here 10, 6, 8, if they give like that, we would have decided they have written the even numbers, even natural numbers. But here they have included A and M. This is not a collection of well-defined objects. We don't have well-defined objects here. So this is not a set. Not a set. And all good films. Collection of all good films. So all good films, for some people, films may be good. Some films, for their opinion or in their context, it may not be good. When they use the word good, so we cannot club it. So therefore, this is not a set. Not a set. Let me repeat question C. All good films they told. If they tell set of collection of Hindi films, Kannada films, English films, you can write. But all good films, when they use good, beautiful, all those things, so we cannot define them. For some people, some films may be good. For some people, some other films may be good. So we cannot club them. So they are opinions. Opinions cannot be clubbed as set. They are not well defined. For every person, the taste may not be same. So therefore, the conclusion is what? Not a set. So I may like a film. For me, one film may be a good film. The same film may not be good film for the others. So therefore, we cannot conclude. If I tell Bahubali is a good film, KGF is a good film, same film may not be good film for the others. The others may feel, compared to Bahubali, they may feel Bajrangi Bhaijaan is a good film. So it's opinion. When we talk about opinion, opinions cannot be framed as set. So it's not a collection of well-defined objects. Please remember when they use the word like good, beautiful, talented, like that. So they are opinions. Opinions cannot be clubbed as set because they are different for, say, opinions are different for different people. So therefore, this is not a collection of well-defined objects, so not a set. C is not a set. All interesting subjects. See, again they are using the word called interesting. When they talk about interesting, so I will tell maths is an interesting subject. For me, yes, it is true. For some of you, it may be true. For some of you, maths may not be interesting, economics may be interesting subject, computer science may be interesting subject. So when they use the word interesting, again it is not a collection of well-defined object. Therefore, this is not a set. Next, students of particular college. Set of students of given college. Set of students of Vidyashram. Set of students of Vidyashram college. Set of students of Vidyashram First Grade College. Set of students of Vidyashram PU College. So it forms a set. So now, to answer this question, first you should know the definition. What is a set? Collection of well-defined distinct objects. So when they use the word good, beautiful or interesting, so this we cannot define it as a well-defined set. So there will not be a set. So these are the questions we have answered. Next, going ahead. So to answer the above question, you should know the definition of set. What is set? Collection of well-defined distinct objects. Well-defined distinct objects. Collection of well-defined distinct objects forms what? Set. So please understand, collection of well-defined distinct objects is a set. So the word well-defined. So just now in the past questions that are given in exercise 2.1, we told set of good films is not a set, interesting subjects is not a set, because the word well-defined. Whenever you are writing any element in the set, it should be well-defined. Next, the second question in 2.1, represent the following sets in both roster form and rule form. They want you to write in roster form also, rule form also. You know, roster form means what? You should write the elements, separate the elements with commas, and put the elements in what? Flower brackets or curly brackets. Now the first one, set of even natural numbers less than 30. So for A, I'll write in roster form. In roster form, set of even natural numbers. So all of you know roster form means what? In roster form, you will write the elements. So set of even natural numbers less than 30. What are the even natural numbers less than 30? So set A is equal to, even natural number starts from what? 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 26, 28. So these are the even natural numbers less than 30. So 2, 4, 6, 8 till what? 28. So you know, in roster form you should write the members or elements, separating them by commas, and you should write all the elements. So possibly we have written all the elements here. So what are the even natural numbers? Even numbers means what? 2, 4, 6, 8. Even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Less than 20, 30 means you should stop at 38. Next we need the same thing in rule form. Now we will write it in what form? Rule form. Rule form means what? Should write x such that A is equal to x such that x is an even natural number less than 30, or I can say x is equal to 2n comma n belongs to natural number and n value should be less than what? So if I want 30, I should stop at what? 15 2s are 30. So natural numbers you can put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 15. This is one form of writing. Other form of writing is x such that x is an even natural number less than x less than 30 you can write. So an even number means what? 2n, where n is what? Natural number, and n should be less than what? 15. Next, so I've answered question 1. Now question 2, set of all multiples of 3. So for B, set of all multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? So you know multiples of the 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So all multiples of 3, 12, 15, it is a finite set or infinite set? It is infinite set. So we cannot write all the elements, it is infinite, it goes on. So what we'll do? Put dot dot dot. If I write like this is infinite set. Now I have written this in what form? Roster form, or we say tabular form. Now the same set they want you to write in what form? You have to write the same set in what is called as rule method. Rule method, B is equal to x such that x is multiple of 3, x is equal to 3n comma n belongs to natural numbers and n value should be, so n belongs to natural numbers, that's it, because there is no restriction, so I can stop it here. So n belongs to what? Natural numbers. In the place of n you put natural number, any natural number you will get it. Suppose n is equal to 1, if you put 3 ones are 3, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 3 if you put 3 multiples, x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to what? Natural numbers. You put all the natural numbers, you will get multiples of 3. Then represent the following sets in roster form and rule form. We give the first set, set of all integers between -3 and 3. So question C, they want you to write all the integers between -3 and C. So in roster form, so let us define the set. Set A is equal to, you know, you can give any name to the set, but it should be capital letter. integers between minus 3 and minus 2 means minus 3 and plus 3. What are the integers between minus 3 and plus 3? You know, on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3 goes on, and left side will have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 goes on. So these are the set of integers between minus 3 and plus 3. What are the integers here to here? That is, what are the integers? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Between that also I should not include minus 3 and plus 3. So integers between minus 3 and plus 3, sixth C. And same set I can also write in set builder form. So A is equal to x such that x belongs to z and x lies between what? Minus 3 and plus 3. X is greater than minus 3 but less than plus 3. So now I have done first question in roster form as well as rule form. Then set of all prime numbers less than 30, less than 20. D, so I call it a set B. All prime numbers less than 20. What are the prime numbers less than 20? 2 is a even prime number, then 3, then 5, then 7, 9 is not prime, 11 is prime, 13 is prime, 17 is prime. That's it. So how to write this? So B is equal to x such that x is a prime and x less than 20. X such that x is a prime and x less than prime number less than what? 20. Set of all positive factors of 25. So you know positive factors for 25. 25 is divisible by what? So question E. So I'll name the set as C. Set is set of factors. What are the set of factors? The factors for 25. 25 is divisible by any number is divisible by 1. 25 is divisible by 5. 25 is divisible by 5 and 25. So positive factor, set of all positive factors of 25, 5 and 25. These are the three things. So x such that, this is roster form, and I can say x such that x divides 25, and rule is x should be greater than what? 0. It should be positive. So x should divide 25. What is meant by factor? A factor means a number which can divide the other number. This is one of the ways of writing it. X such that x divides 25 and x should be greater than 0. They want a positive factor. So I wrote rule method as well as roster form. So roster form means what? We'll write the property or characteristic possessed by the element. Now convert the following set from roster form to rule form. They gave roster form, you convert it into rule form, means write a rule for it. So first one, they gave set name as A, you also take set name as A, and 4, 8, 12 they told. So take it as what? A is equal to x such that x is multiple of 4. X is equal to 4n, comma, n belongs to what? Natural number. N belong to what? Natural number. Means in the place of n put natural numbers. So n is equal to 1 gives you 4, n is equal to 2 gives you 8, so like that. So x such that x is equal to 4n and n belongs to what? Natural numbers, or comma n belongs to natural numbers, you can write. Then b is equal to 6, 12, 18. These are all multiples of 6. So x is such that x is a multiple of 6, or we say x is equal to 6n, comma, n belongs to natural number. This is a simple way of writing, and this is the best way of writing. Then A, B, C, D. So set C, capital C, they gave A, B, C, D. What are A, B, C, Ds? A, B, C, Ds are what? Alphabets of English. And they have not written all the alphabets of English. They have written only 4 alphabets of English. So I'll say x such that x, one of the 4 letters of alphabets of English alphabets. So A, B, C. X is one of the 4 letters of English alphabet, or X is a English alphabet, first four alphabets. So A, B, C, D. Then convert the following set from roster form to rule form. So D, what is set D? In set D, what is given? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these are all weekdays, they covered all the weekdays. X such that X is a day of week. X is a day of week. In week, what are the days we have? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all days are covered. So now E, June, July. You can see June, July. These are the months of year starting with J, I can say. But if I say J, this is in your textbook question. They have skipped out January. So that's why I'll say these are the months of the week starting from J, U. The starting letters are what? J and U. So X is such that X is a month in a year with JU. They are starting with what? JU, JUNE, JULY. Now I compiled a question. This is not in your textbook. So D and E, these are the textbook questions we have solved. So another question F I have given. F is what? X is such that X is a month in a year starting with what? Starting with letter J. Hope all of you got this. Because 3 months are also covered. June, July, January. So these are the months of what? Year. But they are starting with what? Letter J. Starting with letter J. Now these are starting with what? 2 letters. JU. These two. E. So next. Convert the following sets from rule method to roster form. They gave rule method. You convert them to what? Roster form. Like last case. So now rule to roster. Rule they gave. You need to convert it into what? Roster. Yeah, they have given rule. Rule means what? They gave the property of the element. You have to write it. Now question A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word in the word engineering. So they gave a word. You have to write the letters of the word. So set A is equal to, what are the letters present? E, N, G, I, N. Already we have written E. So once if you write, you should not repeat. You know, set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. So E, N, G, I, N. So already we have written once N. So N you should not repeat. So only one letter should be written only once. N and I already we have written. I and N we have written. R, G. G already we have written. So E, N, G, I, R. Engineering is formed by these letters. So E occurs 3 times, N occurs 2 times, I occurs 2 times, but you should not, G occurs 2 times, you should not write 2 times. Set is collection of well-defined distinct object. Whenever you are writing, you have to write one element only once. Though we have 3 E's and 2 N's and 2 G's, we should write only once. Means the word is formed from these letters. They'll take the letters, they'll rearrange and they'll get this, that's it. So from this question what you understood? Well, it's very important. If they want you to write the letters in the word, you write all the letters but without repeating. If letter appears more than once, you should write only once. ಇಲ್ಲಿ E ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 ಸಲ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 3 ಸಲ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. More than once you should not write. N also, G also. Then B, capital B. N is equal to N square minus 7n plus 12 equal to 0. They told B contains N and the N is what? N should satisfy this equation. When they give equations, solve the equations and write the value. So now N square minus 7n plus 12. What are the factors for 12 that give you minus 7? What are the factors for 12? So 12 is 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 if I multiply, I'll get positive 12. And if I add, I'll get positive 7. So I need negative 7. So minus 4, minus 3. If you multiply, you'll get plus 12. If you add, you'll get middle term factorization. Now I'll write N square minus 4n minus 3n plus 12 equal to 0. And all of you know further what you should do. Take n common, then n minus 4, here take minus 3 common, again it will become n minus 4. Now take n minus 4 common, n minus 4 into n minus 3 equal to 0, and each term equated to 0, that is n minus 4 equal to 0, that implies n is what? 4, and n minus 3 equated to 0, that is n equal to what? 3. So now you got n value 4 and 3, so write them in order. So I'll write 3 comma 4. So when they give equation, they told n such that n should satisfy this equation, means solve the equation and get the values. That's it. Next, this is also one of the important questions. So they want you to write in what form to what form? Rule form to roasted form. Rule form means they'll give characteristic possessed by the characteristic property possessed by the element. You should write the elements. And word, when they give word, you should write the letters of the word without repeating. Only one letter should be written only once. Any element in a set should occur only once. Next we have, write all the possible subsets for the following. All of you know subset means what? Subset is a part of a big set, and subset, they want, you can write so all the subsets. So first I will take A. For set A they gave, what is set A given? Set A they have given 1 comma 2 comma 3. What are the possible subsets? So I can write set without any elements. This is one of the subset. All of you know null set is a subset of any set. And second, I'll write singletons. What is singleton? A set containing one element. So one more, all the subsets, all the singletons, set with 1 only, set with 2 only, set with 3 only. So 3 subsets I wrote, containing 1 as one element, 2 as one element, 3. Then I'll write set with 2 elements. I'll club 1 2. Then I'll write 2 3. Then what is the other possibility? 1 3. Then so now I'll write so many subsets. Now I'll write the given set itself as a subset. For any given set, itself acts as subset. So 1 2 3 is also subset. 1 comma 2 comma 3 is also subset. So all the subsets I wrote. One is empty set. The other 3 are singletons. And the other 3 are sets containing 2 elements. The last one is what? Itself. A itself. A contains 1 2 3. I wrote itself. For any set, one of the subset is null set, and the other set is itself, and itself is called as improper subset. What we call it as? Improper subset. Itself is improper subset. Remaining all are proper subsets. And how to check this? Number of subsets. 2 power number of elements. How many elements? 1 2 3. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is what? 8. So number of subsets means 2 power number of elements. Number of subsets of A means 2 power number of elements of A. N of A means what? Cardinal number. So 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is what? 8. You can check, we got 8 subsets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 subsets are possible. Among the 8 subsets, one is improper subset, that is itself, and one is empty set. This you should remember. But the question is just they want you to write subsets. So this is the answer. Null set, singletons 3, set with 2 elements, and itself. Next, B. Now B, 2 sets are there, 2 elements are there. B contains 2 elements. What are the? A comma B. What are the possible subsets? One subset is null set. The other subsets are singletons, set with single element, set containing A alone, set containing B alone. Then I'll write itself. These are the subsets. They want you to write all the possible subsets. What are the possible subsets? Null set, set with A, set with B, set with AB. And you can check 2 power number of elements in B. How many elements are there in B? 2 elements. 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. You can check exactly, we got 4 subsets. So null set, it's a singleton and this. So now we got subsets for the given sets. So I told you, for any set, null set is a subset. And for any set, itself is also a subset. Itself is called as improper subset. Next, if A is equal to 5 6 7, find P of A. Please remember, P of A means what? To solve question 6, you should know what is P of A. What is P of A? Power set of A. What is meant by P of A? Power set of A. So P of A is power set of A. So now we'll write power set of A. What is meant by power set? Power set means what? Set of all subsets. Set of all subsets. So now P of A means it's a set containing all the subsets of A. So what are the subsets of this? One is null set. The other one is singleton, set containing 5 alone, set containing 6 alone, set containing 7 alone, set containing 2 elements. 5 6 set with 6 7 set with 5 7, and you can write set containing all the elements, that is 5 6 7. So now I wrote power set. What is power set? Set containing all the subsets is power set. So next, seventh one, if A has 4 elements, how many elements will be there in power sets? See, remember, number of elements in power set of A is 2 power number of elements in A. How many elements will be there? Number of subsets. Number of subsets is what? 2 power n of A. So 2 power number of elements. So they give A has 4 elements. If A has 4 elements, power set will have 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means what? 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16. 16 elements. So for this, what is the answer for seventh one? 16 elements will be there in the power set. All of you know power set means what? Set of subsets. How many subsets are possible? 2 per number of elements in A. Number of elements in A is 4. So number of elements in A is 4. So 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is what? 16. So therefore 16 different subsets are possible. So therefore 16 number of elements are present in what? Power set. Next we have, if A is 2, 3, 4, write all the proper subsets of A. So now they want you to write all the proper subsets of A. You know itself is improper subset. Remaining all are proper subsets. So we'll write, they mentioned proper subsets. So what are the proper subsets? First one, null set. Second one, singleton, 2 alone. Third one, 3 alone. Then I can write 4 alone. Then I can write 2 elements, 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 4, then 2 comma 4, then that's it. I cannot write 2 3 4. If I write 2 3 4, it is improper subset. They want strictly proper subset. So proper subset means all the subset, but you should not write itself. Itself is called as improper subset. They want what? Proper subsets. What are the proper subsets? Null sets and singletons and set with 2 elements like this. These are the proper subsets. So here you can see 3 elements are there. 2 power 3 is 8. In that 1 I will remove. 1 is improper. So 8 minus 1, 7 subsets we should get. We got 7 subsets, you can see. Understood? What is proper subset? Proper subset means what? It should contain elements less than the given set. Going ahead, number of elements. So now let me just summarize important concepts. If suppose A has 3 elements, 3 4 5, number of subsets, first case is number of subsets. How many subsets are possible? Number of subsets is 2 power number of elements in A, that is 2 power 3, that is 8 subsets. But they want proper subsets. So that's why other interesting concept is number of proper subsets. How many proper subsets are possible? Number of proper subsets, if you want to count, number of proper subsets is 2 per number of elements in A, and from that remove 1. Here 2 cube minus 1, that is 8 minus 1. The one what you are removing is itself. So that's why we have 7 proper subsets. So if they want number of proper subsets, you should remove 1 improper subset. That's it. So by this exercise 2.1, all the 8 problems we have concluded. So in exercise 2.1, we had problems on converting one form to other form, rule form to roster form, and roster form to rule form. And we have problems on power set. Power set means what? Set of all subsets and number of elements. So all these things we have done. So I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending the session. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.